So today I'm gonna explore Parcel.js. Do you know what that is?
No.
So Parcel.js is something that you call a bundler. And a bundler in the web is something that takes a lot of files, bakes them together to one file so that it's faster to download from the internet. And the reason we have many files is because it's easier to work with. Let's take a look at it.
Sure.
So I'm going to Google here for Parcel.js. Maybe we can do this. Here we go. Okay, what do you think?
It's like a box.
It is a box, because that's exactly what you're doing.
Yeah.
You're taking a lot of these small items that is easy to work with, but they're bad when you want to download them on the internet, because then you just want to carry one thing.
Yeah, okay.
So this is pretty beautiful, I think.
Yeah, we
got it directly.
Yes.
So
did you make that page?
No, this is not mine. This is somebody else's project.
Okay.
And we're gonna try it out today for the first time.
Awesome.
I never tried it before.
Awesome.
And there used to be another one, or it still exists. It's called Webpack. Here we go. See if we can click correctly. It also does the same thing. You can see here. Let's zoom in a little bit. That it takes a lot of files, complicated, put it into a transparent cube, and you get out few files.
Cool. But the other one looked better.
Yes, I think so too. Although Webpack has been great, but Webpack has suffered one thing, and it is that it's very configurable. And I'll show you what I mean by that. We're gonna see if they have a configuration here. So the fun thing is, this is what a config needs to be. So pretty small. It doesn't look too bad, does it?
No.
But in reality, what configs usually end up looking, whoops, what did I do now? Is more something like this. Like a complete mess. You know, like includes, extract, extra plugins. And this is hard to maintain. And also, like, after a while, all projects looks like this. Just a ton of configuration. I'm sure you can get an easier configuration, but in my experience, a complex project ends up looking like this. Should we try it?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so first we're gonna see what it looks like today if I build Megaman. So the build script to Megaman is in here. It simply runs React scripts build. So I'm gonna open the terminal here. Gonna clear it, and then let's run the build command. You can do that by using yarn run build. So when I type a yarn here, that's a program on the computer. And run is the task I wanted to do. So hey, run something. And build is the name of the task. So when I use this, where I enter here, it will run this command, which then has a lot of side effects. So it's just 1,000 things gonna happen, okay? Okay. Let's see it. Okay, are you excited?
Yes, I am. Where are the things?
No, it's working here.
Ah, okay.
So as you can see here now, it's creating. There, it's done. So now this directory was created. I think. Let me see the output again. No, it's still working actually. It's creating an optimized production build. Production is the final thing that the customers use.
Okay.
So it's just like when you paint a painting, it's not that important, it looks perfect before it goes into store. And the same thing is you cook tacos at home. They can have a little poop on it, but not in the store. Okay, so here you see it built two files, this file and this file. So let's take a look at them. I think they're here. Yes. Why are there two? Oh, a map. So look at this. This is what it pooped out.
Wow. It's so difficult to understand.
Yeah. And it is everything in the project. like bone matrices and stuff like that.
Bone matrices.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's for 3D things. I don't think I use it in Mega Man, but it slipped in apparently.
Okay.
Yeah. So anyway, we have that. We also have this. Also like, very hard to understand. Let's see if it runs.
Do you understand those things?
Yeah, kind of. Not as well as if it was in the raw format, but yeah, I understand this.
Okay.
It's a little bit obfuscated now. Like the names are not right. So E here is in reality probably named something else. No,
Okay.
maybe here is actually E. But anyway, so now let's start this. Yarn start I can run, I think. No, I want start prod. Okay, now it's running here. So let's open that up and see if it worked. No. I think I'm running a Docker container. No. I think I'm running this. Okay, now clear. Start again. Okay, now.
Yay!
Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Put the headphones on the mic.
So awesome.
But this was with Webpack. Now I want to try it with Parcel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it. Or you do.
So I'm gonna turn off this now. And then we're just gonna follow the instructions they have here. See what happens. I have no clue. So let's scroll down.
Get started. Or
That's what we want. So here's the basically the ad campaign. And this, I guess, what do you need? Start with an entry file. Okay, this sounds good. I can do that. And is this needed? Okay, let's try it. But I think I need to install it first. So let's go to get started here. So first install Parcel using yarn or npm. So let's do this. Gonna close the server now. And so this keyword here, global, it means that it's installed on my computer. We're obviously doing that anyway, but if I just run yarn add without global, it will go into this folder.
okay.
Yeah. But now that means it's only available in this project. But with the global keyword, we're gonna install it all over the place. Okay, I lost that. Let's copy paste it again.
Like all over the place, that means...
There's only one, like you can call it one master version on my computer.
Okay.
So I don't need to install it for every project.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna drag in this window again.
Are you excited?
Yeah, quite. It's always fun to try new things.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so create a package to JSON. I have that. Any type file. So Parcel can take any type of file as an entry point, but an HTML or JavaScript file is a good place to start. Good. If you link your main JavaScript file in HTML using a relative path, Parcel will also process it for you and replace the reference with URL to the output file. Good, good. Okay, I already have one of these, so I'm gonna see. I probably can't skip this and just point to it. Yeah, this is what I want to do. I just run Parcel and point it to my index file. And let's delete this old build here, the one that we tested. We don't need that anymore. I'm just gonna make sure that everything looks all right. So I have an index file here, but I'm not sure this points to the right thing. So it should point to this, but I don't think it does that currently. So we're gonna change that to begin with. Let's see here. Interesting, I thought that there would be a script tag here where the script tag went in. But I guess we can add it. Let's try that. and script src, and then I have to go, because this index file is here and JavaScript file is here. So I guess I need to link it here with /src / index.js. And I think that is all I need to do. Let's give it a try. Parcel, and it was public index.html. That's not good.
It didn't work.
No. It wasn't found. Let's try it with npm instead.
Okay.
Node. No. npm install g parcel bundler, I think it's called. I think we might need to do this with sudo. So I can say sudo. There we go. Ooh, password. There we go.
Do you think now it's working?
Maybe.
Because it says error there.
Does it? Oh, that's old. Let's try it now. No, it didn't want to do this. It doesn't support JSX. Okay, let's continue to read in the documentation. You can also write a default port. Okay, that's not important. Okay, well, it didn't just work. So that's a bit disappointing.
You don't know the way how to make it work?
No. So I'm gonna guess. I'm gonna think that it might have to do with that this needs to be a JSX file. I have no clue, but let's try it. And try this again. No. Now we have to Google on JSX, because the JSX a little bit special, but I thought that was gonna work. A little bit disappointed actually. Let's see what this guy says. Oh, we need React parcel. No. We have done this. Okay, do we need this? Okay, well this is not zero configuration then. Okay, let's see if we need to store this. And it goes here. .babelrc. So let's try this again. Oh, continued. Almost. Okay, so there was a dependency here, and this is kind of good because this is from React app, so we shouldn't need that necessarily.
So now it works a little bit.
It works a little bit more.
Okay.
We're just gonna do it like this. We're gonna take it step by step. I don't think these are that. Let's just put this like that. Because that should work anyway. At least we should get going. So let's try this again. Oops. I was surprised that it doesn't reload it automatically. So you can't resolve dependency here. Okay. Well, this is also not zero configuration. This is things you don't want to have to solve. So far, a little bit disappointed. I feel like this could be automatic.
So do you think the other works better?
No, not yet. I wouldn't say that. I'm taking their statement literal. That's a zero configuration. And there never is. There's always one, I think. Well, now we have to figure out this. Cannot resolve dependency. Okay, this is an annoying error because this is deep into the libraries and we should not have to go in there and fix it. We're gonna see what they did here. Because this is probably useful to take some hints from. Okay, this looks pretty normal. But I think this file is inside their project. And ours is not. So we're gonna move the index file. I'm gonna open this so we can see what they do. And I'm simply gonna I'm actually just gonna save this somewhere else. I'm gonna save the index file in src instead. And since I moved that file, now I can type index.jsx here.
Perfect.
I agree.
Do you think it will work?
I have no clue. No. No, didn't work. Okay. Oh, I'm so dumb. I didn't update the build path. So I still had this old file here. So I was running on that. So of course I got the same problem.
Okay.
And now I'm running against the new file. Let's try it. Okay. Ah! I don't get this. This looks like an obvious bug to me. I can't see really right now. I don't think this is something I did wrong. I think this is just a bug. But we're gonna proceed and see what happens. Okay, let's make sure we use no date. Pretty sure we do. Yeah, 9 even. This is... let's see if we install it correctly. Oh, this is installed locally on this person's test. That's not what the other documentation said.
What did you do? Globally?
Yeah, we installed it globally.
Yeah.
This is locally.
And is there a big difference?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try this and see what happens. You know what I don't understand? I don't understand why they have to install Babel preset here. That's not zero configuration if that's the case. Well, anyway, I'm not gonna be nitpicky about that. I just felt like it was a little bit of disappointment. All the rumors on the internet, I think a little bit oversold his part. But let's try to install this. Or actually, we should be humble. It might be us that did something stupid. But that's good too. Like, if it's common to do a stupid thing, other people might learn.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it another try. This is funny. I wonder which is will be running now. Yeah, that's not right. Okay, yeah, so now we have to do what they said here too. Because when we install it globally, if we just type it out, it will run globally. But if we type in this in that file, this thing here, we will run it from the correct place. I'm gonna go into this package.json here. And I'm gonna call this something else and call this Parcel. Yeah, that's good. This is gonna run on src index. Okay, now we have to run it with yarn run parcel. So what this does is that if I just type parcel, it will run the global installation. I can't have that. With yarn run parcel, we'll run the local installation. And the local installation is that in that megaman.js directory. Okay, here we go. Okay. Fan! Vad är det här för skit alltså? Okay, let's try it on another project that we haven't done it on. I'm gonna do it on Super Mario. Okay.
I thought that this was Super Mario.
This is Mega Man. So I'm gonna go out here and go into Super. Is it here? No. Let's clear the screen. CD method. CD Super Mario. And let's install it here. npm install parcel. I forgot what it's called. It was Parcel Bundler, yeah. Install. Okay, I'm gonna copy it literally here. And this doesn't use React, so we shouldn't need that. We might use that, but let's start here and see what happens. Okay.
Maybe you're copying it wrong.
Nah, what do you mean?
I don't know, like it's maybe a mistake from the way you're commanding or...
Nah.
No. Okay.
This looks right to me.
Okay.
Let's give it a try.
No, on the past one.
On the what?
On the other one. On the one with Mega Man.
Maybe. But it looks right to me.
Okay.
So, and it says like this in documentation, so... I don't know, man. I don't know what to do. We need this again. No, we don't. We're gonna try this without. Because we are not using ES... We are using ES6, but we don't care about that. Like, this works in the browser. It should work out of the box, I think. Otherwise, it's not zero configuration.
Mm-hmm.
So, while we wait, I'm actually gonna put that in the background. Control C and say BG. And then I'm gonna start it here, npm start. There we go. So now we can play. Just make sure that Mega Man works. Yeah, no, sorry, Mario. Yeah, this works. So that's all I wanted to know. Let's go back here. And it is done. So go in the back foreground again. And we should be able to say, here is the start script. And I'm gonna in here, let's close the Mega Man thing here. File. Close folder. File. Open folder. Hello. Method. Let's play around with Super Mario. Here we are. Here's the index.html. And here's my package.json. Let's add parcel. So it should be like this. public/index.html. Okay. Here we go. npm run start. No!
Now it's worse?
Yeah, no, it's basically the same problem.
Oh man.
Yeah. I don't know what this is. This looks just like a bug to me. So, I guess we can't do anything else right now. I have no clue what to do. Okay, I guess we'll take a break.
Okay.
Okay, so just to eliminate my local computer as a problem, I have tried this on my Macintosh. So I installed it the same way here, and I'm gonna run Parcel here by npm run start. That's not even the right. Oh, for some reason I logged out. Dev super. There we go. And let's try this again. Okay. So that is the same problem we have here, I think. Wait, are we missing something from this line? I'm gonna see here. What the hell? This looks so weird. Can you hold the phone?
Yeah.
Thanks.
I was about to say that I can record.
I'm just gonna make sure here. So cat, no lsrl public. That's index.html. Do I need to be in this folder maybe? No. Okay, so now it's at least looking for that folder. I don't get this. Okay. Okay, let's see if we cut off the error message here. Thanks. So let's widen the window. Oh. Okay, there's some more information here. Let's run this again and see what the whole thing is. Can't resolve. Why is it looking for the dependency here? Like, first of all, this message was cut off, which isn't that good. But secondly, this looks completely wrong.
Like a bug run?
Yeah, like this. There's no reason it should think that this file is here. Because if we go in here, index file, we have the js.main. Oh, this points at the root actually. Maybe this is the... Oh, there we go. Ha! There we go. Ah, there we see. Okay, okay, that makes sense. That was... it's built now. So now it should be running here. I'm gonna show that again.
It was a mistake.
It was a mistake. But it was kind of... So now you see here, I have this slash. Then what it does, it resolves that at the beginning of the disk. Because when you start with a slash, that is basically the root, or that's exactly the root actually. And it means, you know, the first thing or whatever. And but in a website, this just means the start of the domain.
Yeah.
But it uses this as the start of the disk. So in the web, it makes sense to do this, but not on the disk. But let's save this and see that. So now you see it's built. That was pretty. That was fast. Let's try this. It should work too, of course. Oh, it didn't work. No. We have a problem here. It's not serving my static files properly. I don't know if I liked it that much. It is very crucial that it is configured the right way. And it's funny how... I don't know, I'm not sure I want to continue doing this right now. I'm a little bit disappointed so far. But it might get better. But this web server is not serving the files as it should. Which is, I don't know. This is strange to me. I guess you have to link all the files so you can't have other files. Actually, let's try to complete this. I am going to continue reading on the Parcel website. How do I go to another tab? Like that. Okay. Assets. What can I do with them? But this also makes sense. Like we want to reference another file. So what we... And this is not right either. We also want to bundle the files we have pointed at. We don't want to bundle the other things. It would be very good if this actually worked with a basic project. Like my project is as basic as they come. I feel like this, you have to do projects in a special way to make this work.
Like step by step and...
I guess you have to set it up in a special way.
Okay.
So basically you have to configure your project to be like this wants to. And I wouldn't say there's not a problem with that. That's nice. It's just, it's not zero configuration. It's a lot of configuration in my opinion.
So do you think the other was faster?
No. There's... You can't really judge them on this. I was probably taking it a little bit too literal. But I'm a little bit disappointed.
But you can keep on trying.
Yeah, but what's the point? The point was that this would be easy. And now it's not... This is just what I always do when I try something new. Like you have to fiddle around with it. I'm not sure... Why is this broken? Require is not defined. I don't understand why that would be a problem. I'm not using require anywhere. Nah, I don't have time for this right now. I'm just gonna conclude the report that I think Parcel is a great, cool tool. I'm sure it works well when you set it up properly with everything as you anticipate. I think it's too early to call it a zero configuration. Maybe they don't call it. I should check first. I don't say, so I don't lie. ParcelJS. I'm gonna see here what they actually say. Blazing fast, zero configuration web application bundler. Okay, I think we have concluded that this is a lie. I mean, the effort is great, but it's certainly not zero configure. What do you think, Gio? Were you entertained by this?
Yeah, but my opinion is that maybe you made a mistake.
I mean, sure I did.
So,
But the point is that there's no configuration, so you shouldn't be able to make a mistake. It should be automatic.
okay.
That's at least how it comes across to me.
So how will you expect that?
I expected it to work after 40 minutes of work.
Yeah.
So
Are you disappointed?
yes, I am a little bit, but it's also very new, so it's not that strange that it doesn't support my use case. My use case is not extremely normal. I mean, it's not that normal, but I don't think what's built with what I'm doing in mind. It is built for basically as a Webpack replacement. And since I'm not using Webpack today, it doesn't fit in there. But right now, I'm giving up for tonight. I'm gonna rate it 3 out of 5 GitHub stars. But I'm super excited about seeing the future of Parcel.
Thank you very much, Honey.
Honey?
Thank you. Thank you very much for showing me Parcel, Pontus.
Oh, I thought you called the audience honey.
Oh. No.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.